Tired of carrying around heavy lighting gear and equipment? What if I told you there was a portable flash unit that packed 200 watt seconds of power in a well-designed, rugged unit? I'm Chris Francis. I've been a photographer for the last 17 years. I've also been a studio owner for the last 6 years. I specialize in portraits, but I also do weddings and event photography, and this is where that unit comes in very handy. This is the unit I used to use. It's a on-camera flash unit. I've done loads of photography with this. Now I shoot with the Godox AD200. As you can see, it's a compact size. This has 5 times more power than this unit. So this has totally transformed the way I shoot my photography. So let's take a closer look at the AD200. On the front side, you have a Fresnel lens, which we'll come back to that, which is interchangeable. You have the battery unit on this side, which just pops out. The battery lasts for 5,000 full power flashes. I don't find myself recharging very often, so it slips in there. One end you have a 3/4 thread on one side, and you also have a 3/4 on one of the back ends, which allows you to attach it to a light stand. I normally use an S bracket, which I'll come to in a moment, to attach it to my various modifiers. On the back end, you have the display. It works in the same way as, say, a flash unit. So if you're used to on-camera flash, you have no problem navigating the screen. You can change the channels, you can put it into what mode you need, and also you can sync it to other strobes you might have in your arsenal. Nice feature about this is that the Fresnel head disengages by pressing that down, pushing it forward. The head comes off. You can then change the Fresnel head to a bare bulb, which you line them up with the holes there, put them in, slide across, and you have a very versatile bare bulb. Unlike the Fresnel head that would push light straight forward, the bare bulb allows light to shine all the way around the bulb. So when you put it inside a modifier, it fills it out more effectively. When it comes to attaching it to a stand or a modifier, I normally use an S bracket. And the S bracket is simply that end goes onto a light stand, and then I simply push my light through like so, and just bracket it down on the top. So now you have the ability to put any Bowens mount on the front of it. I triggered the AD200 with the Godox X1 trigger, which is this one. As you can see, guys, the AD200 is a very versatile piece of kit that I think should be in any photographer's arsenal of lights. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the video. YouTube think that you may like this video, so check that out when you have time, and in the meantime, keep shooting.